It's linking, of course, our 100 years of existence and our celebrations to that to the future. And for us, of course, if you think about innovation, that's not just technology. It's also the way we actually bring it together, how people play a part in that, how we connect with society, how we connect with the world, you can say, on the things that are happening and how we are enabling that here also on Aruba. And there's a lot of things going on. And of course, as we know, in 100 years, a lot happened. But of course, with the time that we live in, there's a lot going on right now. And we would like you to be part of that, of course. And we would like to share that in our conference. It's all about making sure, of course, that we got not just our own people contributing as we sit over here today, but also we have a great bunch of people to come and talk about that together with us. And I'd like to share some of that with you today. First and foremost, we have a very big honor, of course, to have our own, I would say, rocket scientist from Aruba, Mr. Edward Chung. He's a NASA engineer, and he will come and talk to us about the Caribbean, from the Caribbean to the cosmos, really trying to link us in that way. We have Jairzinho Henriquez, who is a founder of the Google Development Group in the Netherlands. And he will talk on engineering innovation in Aruba's next generation. Then we have Jaime Cruzet, who is a data architect from ABN AMRO, and he will be exploring AI's role in building a digital Aruba. And then we have also two panels there. One is going to talk about the future of technology in Aruba, and the other one empowering the next generation. And the panels will be having leaders from the private sector, from education, and from the government. And they include Nigel, but they also include Bruce, as they are present here today, François Citroen, one of our other colleagues, Crescentia Biemans, Sue Ann Lee, and also Minister Geoffrey Wever. And both of the panels will be led by Ryan Peterson from the Central Bank of Aruba. I think a very, let's say, well-positioned forum to talk about the two topics that I already mentioned before. We have also a youth program going on in parallel that will actually be run by, it's a kids coding workshop actually, run by Code Club Caribbean, and we will hear about that more later, whereby teens can actually explore working with microbit and Raspberry Pi coding tools. So it's really trying to also grasp the younger and the youngest almost of the generations, you can say, and involve them in making sure that we look out for the future.